Welcome, wrestling fans. It is Wrestling Revolution. Keaton here. Are we on the verge of a heel turn?
Everyone, say it with me! B-I-R-D, bird!
The Canary Kid is known as one of NXG's good guys and is a fan favourite. The Canary Kid is one of the brightest wrestlers in the company. There's no way the Canary Kid can join this evil faction, the team of pure filth. We were all shocked that the Canary Kid didn't instantly reject the offer. This is how it all came about.
We are etched in stone that 2024 is our year. 2024, it's gonna be pure filth. I have one question for you. Are you in? We're against this. See you next year.
DD Crooks has offered Canary Kid to join the faction of pure filth. Thank goodness it looks like Canary Kid has thrown the pure filth t-shirt down. Thank goodness he isn't joining them dirtbags.
Don't do it, Canary!
As you haven't, second thoughts, the Canary Kid is a good guy through and through. Looks like we're going to have to wait for all the suspense in 2024. They say a handshake is a gentlemanly agreement. Not only did he shake DD's, but he even shook Sage's. There's even a new t-shirt out of the Canary Kid in darkness. When have we ever saw the Canary Kid with something dark? This could also mean he's joining pure filth. This is his promo when he was in Canada about what he had to say about his offer for pure filth.
Canary Kid has made a big decision, and that's to fly north for Christmas to be with my loved ones. But truth be told, there's a deeper lying reason for why I've decided to come to Canada for Christmas. And that's to clear my head. Because the big question every single one of these NXG fans has been asking, has the Canary Kid decided to fly with the new pack of filthy vultures? And I assure you I will answer that question. January 6th at the Lions Den. Be there if you truly want to see what the Canary Kid thinks about this pure filth situation.
Get your tickets for NXG Wrestling, next show of the year. Get it on eventbrite.co.uk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hopefully, I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.